about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright.
Back when I was preparing GATE, I still remember that one day when I was really fucked up after the class. I can't able to understand anything and I feel like giving up. So I was procrastinated. Basically when I procrastinated, I watched YouTube and I watched YouTubers, other IIT YouTubers and other campus tours, and I get motivation after seeing that. So this is one of the video that I wish I would have watched earlier, because studying in IIT is something that I really wanted to do in my life. So with that intention in mind, I made this video specifically to the aspirants, to the alumni, to the students who are studying here, and anyone who wanted to know what's inside the IIT Madras. This video is for you.
Back to time, I've been busy running my mouth dry, speaking lines of how to find higher hopes and sensibilities meant for me. Let's dive in, create a problem just to fix it, the perfect fit. We're back to time, catching up on all the things we missed, so our interest.
Hey computer, I need a device so that I can move across the campus very faster.
Here, take this ring. This will do it.
What is that? See? So that's super fast. Right now, where I'm here, this is actually Gajendra circle. You see that elephant over there? Behind that also there is one more elephant. To me, pretty honestly, it was actually the most important place, I would say, because when I say Paris, what you will think? You will think Eiffel Tower, right? So when I say China, you will think Great Wall of China. Obviously, there is no relationship with what I'm going to say, but this is very important because whenever someone is lost, we will say come to Gajendra Circle, because this is the landmark which connects the entire IITM very easily. This side, if you look at, this side is actually the hostel area, and that side right there, that will be actually the department, and this side we have the KV, and that side we have the residential area. So yeah, whenever someone is lost, we will tell them to come here. That's it. That's actually OIT, and it is currently closed because it is under renovation, something like that. I can show you that as well. But what I actually mean by OIT is entirely different.
Back to time, I've been busy running my mouth dry, speaking lines of how to find higher hopes and sensibilities meant for me. Let's dive in.
So whatever the festival is happening, it is going to happen there, most probably, because big artists and all, they will come here and do their stuff here only. I'll show you how actually it looks like right now. Oh, that's the big screen right there. Yeah, that's the screen, and it is under full renovation. OIT. So that's
I can't hold back all the new progress, what I've done best, but how about now? Showing off all of the things we missed.
I'm just joking. Actually, I haven't fallen down. So that building right there, that is the most expensive building in IIT Madras. It was around 115 crores.
Lost and found, picking up on the speed of sound to faster ground, moving on. I can't hold back all the new progress.
Next step is the most important one, where cool innovations in IIT Madras happen.
You can start your own business, your own company also.
Okay.
So that's what it talks about. Working with an idea, work out with the product.
People here work 24/7 undisturbed. Sometimes you can go and disturb them as well. Click the mouse and type keyboards. Here they are building the legendary Hyperloop Legend not only because it is so fascinating, it's also because my friend Abhishek the legend is in the project.
Flashback.
The last guy.
End of flashback.
We are in Sri Watsa Stadium, one of the favorite spots of mine. Do you know why? Here athletics and some other sports activities happen. I like this place very much. It's not because I do a lot of sports, it's because
like we didn't sit that much, but for 20 minutes or something we were here, we 5 friends were here, so like it was nice only.
Okay, fine.
So like in total, yeah,
That's great.
It's so cool actually to see the white sky like with the stars there.
Yeah, white sky and stars.
Yeah, it's kind of a good place actually to see. Like,
whenever I get bored in my life, I come here and time goes very faster. Right now, I'm in front of Himalayas. You might be wondering what is Himalaya and a mountain name, like kind of thing. This is actually the mess, because whatever the mess is here, that will name under the mountains. So this is Himalaya, and there is one more mess is there, that is actually Nilgiri. And there is another mess is also there, that is actually Vindhya. And I don't know anything about Vindhya because some people are saying that it is only for girls. Currently, right now we are in Himalayas. Actually here 3 floors are there. The ground floor is actually a food court that we have to pay and we have to eat, and the first floor it is actually for the north guys, and the second floor it is going to be the south guys. I'm gonna show what is inside, so let's go.
North, and this one right there, this is another mess. I will show you what's inside.
So hey guys, we are in Nilgiri. This is my friend Abhishek. Actually, the food quality is really awesome.
Yeah, very bad food, guys. Girls are super. Girls are so perfect, food also perfect, everything perfect.
Everything perfect.
Food is horrible. It's terrible.
Proof from all the Nilgiri guys. Apart from that, actually we have 3 restaurants. Restaurants means actually we have to pay and eat. One is actually Caf Coffee Day. Actually that is situated right there. There is another one thing is there that is actually called Campus Cafe. That is going to be situated there. And if you want to go to Anjapur, you have to go here. So yeah, usually I don't go to these kind of restaurants because obviously mess food is fine for me because so much variety will be there. But yeah, if you are not single or if you are committed, then you might want to spend some money on these restaurants. And apart from that, my friends also throw some party in Anjapur and all. So yeah, so that's about restaurants and all. That right there, actually this right there was actually IITM Research Park, and I don't know how I can say that, so I'm going to show that to you. Ding, 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 ding. That's it, man. What are you doing? There are many companies which set up their R&D facilities here. I made one good friend and sneaked into TVS Electric. Apart from that, there are many more chill places. You can go out with your friends and have fun.
Am I in the frame, bro?
You are not in the frame, dog. Come here.
You should not speak that language here. और मैं
Take first, then we plan. Then we made another one friend and we found the gaming facilities.
Gaming room, full masti, enjoy!
Come on, what can I say?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And they say you are the average of 5 persons around. So eventually you will also become a kid.
Yeah! Oh, new queen!
Another one. Another one.
beat me in this game.
உங்களை தேடி வந்திருக்கேன் டீ குடிக்கிறதுக்கு.
So this is Ramu's stall. You can get tea, coffee, snacks, come chit chat.
Always like this. He will be very happy person in IIT Madras.
Basically couples won't come, but who cares about them?
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க தாத்தா? நல்லா இருக்கேன். சொல்லுங்க இப்போ என்ன தர போறீங்க? What are you going to give to me? Okay, ஒரு டீ and ஒரு சமோசா. We are having samosa here.
Then we did chit chatting for a long time. Basically have a family kind of feeling because basically my mom and dad are from rural area. Whenever we wanted to attend some family functions, we go there and we attend. So that kind of vibes is also there. And more than that, Tata is a very good-hearted person. How can I say that?
Hey guys, you can see here. Actually, during the Varda cyclone and all, Tata was like helping, giving free tea and biscuits to everyone. And like, this kind of art no one will get.
ஆமாம் எல்லாமே க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். நான் ஒரு ஆளு தான் டீ பிஸ்கட் கம்ப்ளீட்டா.
No one did that and no one has a mind to do that. So we have to salute him. Tata, thank you. இந்த மாதிரி ஹெல்ப்லாம் நிறைய பண்ணுங்க.
Most humble person. You should visit him.